Well, it's been a long time since I made a post about the weird watch world. I got a whole bunch of watches to share with y'all. Here we have a Duxot 25 jewel automatic diver watch, vintage. They're 70s or early 80s. It's working. But can't keep them all. This one's going to be flying to, or taking the train to Österreich, to Austria, to its new home. It's about 36 millimeter. And of course, it glows in the dark. And yeah, I got a whole bunch more stuff. I have some of the rarest German made watches from Duxot, vintage DDR, Deutsche Demokratische Republik, Ostalogie. Some of that East German stuff. I had this running for about 5 minutes the other day. I put a band on it. But yeah, this is a little nice one. Whoever had it didn't really wear it. Nope. I'd like to get the back off, but that's kind of a pain right now. Maybe y'all will like to see that movement. Yeah, I never had this brand before, so that's why I'm sharing it. It reminded me of a watch I had about 15 years ago. And God, I can't remember the name of it. But it was really valuable. And it was a lucky score. Oh, and I remember. It was called a Droz. And it was like 38 or 38.9 millimeter diver. Super compressor. And yeah, I remember I sold it to a guy in Paris for a very steep price. Paid the rent for at least 2 or 3 months. So that was a great watch. One that I regret selling, because I'll never get one again. Especially for the price I paid for it. But this one is in almost like identical condition, but this right here is, $200, like a $200, $300 watch. The Droz was, $3,000 and $4,000 watch. All right, I'm gonna go do some shopping. Look out for my next watch posting. Probably be a German watch. See y'all later.